if you take a stroll on the dorms of the UWI, you're going to see a lot of young entrepreneurs, and my guest now is one of them. She is 19-year-old Megan Holong, and she does a whole heap of things that she's going to tell us about this morning. Hello, lady. How are you?
I'm okay. Good morning.
It's good to see you this morning, Meg. Braids by Meg is your business. Don't worry, it's okay. Just put it back up and we go again. Meg,
Yes.
you're 19 years old. And you started, well, you actually started your business in 2018. Your hair is nice, by the way. You braid your own hair?
Sometimes.
What? You skill out you like that? So you live on campus?
Yes, I do.
So you live in a great market because there are always people on campus who are braiding them hair. I know that from when I was on campus days. So you do a lot of hair on campus.
Yes, I do.
Okay, so how did the business start? Tell me.
So I started off braiding in high school at Glenmere while on dorm because I do track and field as well. So I started then when my track mate asked me to braid her hair. So that's when I started.
Did you learn to
Well, that's
braid?
how I started.
How you learn to braid hair?
I think honestly, I didn't have no prior training to braiding, so I believe it's God's given talent. I think my hands are just gifted.
Amen. Megan, what a word. I love that. So, you started the business largely, wow, we're looking at some images of hair you've done. You saw the prices that people were charging to braid hair. And you said, no, man, but this is a lot of money. I can do this and I won't have to charge this much, right?
Exactly,
Yeah.
because being that I'm from a humble background, I wanted to venture into a business that could cater to people from different social classes. So I wanted any and everybody to benefit from my service. Hence why price is my competitive advantage.
Yes, girl. Megan has it all figured out. I'm so not worried about you. But let me ask you now, how you balance the business now? Because it's not like a business that can run itself. It takes your time, it takes your
So
input. So how you manage your business with school, and then the business with school, where you're doing the BSc in tourism management and a minor in management studies at SOSI. You manage your business with school, and then you're a 100-meter hurdles and sprint athlete. So lady, how you find time?
Honestly, I'm not going to sugarcoat things. It's very rough. It's very, very, very rough. So, it all starts with taking scheduling seriously. I try to make use of online apps, so I'd schedule appointments when I don't have classes. So that's when I do here. So it's just really about discipline and leaving the rest to God.
Gotcha. So what's the long-term goal? I mean, I know you're studying the tourism management and management studies, but what is your long term, when you look down the road in another 5 or 10 years, what do you see yourself doing? Because you have so many options at this point.
Well, I should be standing in my dream salon, which will provide a professional but friendly and personalized service. And of course, holding my first class honors degree in tourism. And not to mention reinvesting in my mother because when my dad died, she became the sole breadwinner of my family and she has invested in the brand that I am today.
Fantastic. How does she feel about what you're doing?
To be honest, she's elated. She's very, very, very proud.
Wow. And what about your friends on campus? How do they feel about what you're doing? And how are you inspiring people? I'm sure you serve as a source of inspiration to those around you.
Yes, sure. So I try to motivate them. I tell them to challenge yourself, take the risk. It all starts with taking that step. Because, mommy, I Simone,
It's okay, mommy. Hi, mommy.
proud mommy.
Meg said, mommy, what are you doing? That by far is my favorite moment. Oh, and there's brother. Hi, babe. That mommy, take time while you pull him. Take time. Is that your little brother?
Yes, that's my little brother.
What's his name?
His name is Dante.
Hi, Dante, and hi, Mom. Them just proud of you, Meg. Don't shame, don't shame. Meg say, Mommy, what are you doing? This is my moment. But that just goes to show you just how much or just how proud she is of you, that she wants to be a piece of this morning. Don't worry, Meg. Meg, don't vex it. Meg, do not quarrel with your mother when you finish this interview. Promise me.
I'll try not to.
All right, so for folks who have seen the images that we posted this morning, your work is fabulous. Can you tell us where we can find you on social media?
So you can find me on Instagram at Braids by Meg. So that's Braids Braids by Meg. No, Braids by underscore
Underscore
Meg.
Meg.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yes, underscore Meg.
But do you have
Also
the
on Twitter, the same handle, Braids by underscore Meg. And my contact number is 876-398-6461.
you have capacity now to take on more work? Are you going to get a lot of calls this morning, Meg?
Well, I'm full until January.
Oh no, do not call Meg until January, because she have here to do and she have schoolwork to do as well. So accepting appointments for January 2021. Big up yourself,
Yes.
Megan Holland.
Thank
You
you
are
for
doing
having me.
amazing work. Big up mommy and big up Dante. And God bless mommy after this done, because she's in for it when Megan finished with her. Megan Holong, Braids by Meg is the name of the company, a young woman doing amazing things. Meg, we are proud of you and we wish you all the best on your journey. All right, lady?
Thank you.
Thank you for stopping in. All right, that's it. Megan Holong, Braids by Meg. See, it doesn't matter how young you are, you have a dream. Step into it and pursue it. And your proud parents will be there cheering you on, sometimes in the shot. We'll be right back.